Hey guys, I want to show you how to use a foam roller. This is 3 feet long, 6 inches in diameter. You can get them right off our website. I'm going to show you a couple ways to use the foam roller. First thing, I throw this right on the floor and I'm going to use it as a posture tool. So you're going to lay on it from your tailbone all the way to your head, and I want your palms up and just relax. This is going to relax your neck. It's lining up your spine. It's really trying to improve your posture with gravity. And most people use this to roll out your muscles, which I'll show you, but the most beneficial way is just to lay on it. The most passive exercise you can do. Work on your belly breathing. And I try to do this 3 minutes every single day. The next thing you can do with it is try to, it's called a poor man's massage, trying to get that lactic acid out of your muscle fibers. So your IT band goes from your hip all the way to your knee. And what you're trying to do here is roll out all those lactic acid, all those toxins. You get tight in your muscle fibers. And this is what you see most people use this foam roller at the gym. You can do your quads, flip it over, get your hamstring. You can do your toe up, toe out, toe in. And then you can get your piriformis across your legs. Try to get that glute. There's a bunch of ways to use the foam roller, but like I said, the most beneficial, just get one in your office or at home, lay it on the floor, lay on it for about 3 minutes every single day. It's about the best tool you can do to improve your back.